I'm Dr. Manisha Guduri, heading Research and Development Center in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad is one of the pioneer institutes in the state of Telangana. IARE has been one of the most civilizing forces in the state of Telangana for more than 20 years. IARE collect and create a body of knowledge and then pass that accumulated learning through generations. In doing so, IARE shaped the lives one by one, and through the instrument of educated and skilled people, facilitate discovery, inventions, contribute to a more rational and richer society. The effect is an ever-widening circle of experience and influence that expands outward and eventually touches everything. The hallmark of our age, pessimists might say it is cynicism, but those familiar with and sensitive to the past know that IARE provides a proven pathway to a better future. In order to meet the industry standards, the academia provides fundamental and basic research, applied research, and product development. These are the three building parameters for academia to meet industry standard. IARE has a unique place in education with its multidisciplinary approach and vibrant ecosystem. IARE provides a lot of opportunities for students learning. The ecosystem here provides research centers, innovation and incubation cells, industry connects, internships, hackathons, cast-on projects, startups, entrepreneurship development cells. IARE has well-equipped research facilities for IAREans. Those research facilities include Center for Research in Assistive Technologies, Center for Research in Sensor Instrumentation and Cyber Physical Systems Engineering. PCB mechanically supports, electrically connects electronic or electrical components. A PCB design is very important in all electronic gadgets which are used either for domestic or industrial purpose. In our institute to create PCB, we used MITS 11 lab machine, which is of low cost and high resolution. Here we are using the Proteus software tool used for electronic automations, and it create garbage file and create Gerber file for the PCB layout. With the help of this layout, the MITS 11 lab machine etches the copper sheet and laminates it onto a non-conductive substrate. The PCB layout module is automatically given connectivity information in the form of netlist from the schematic capture module. It applies this information together with the user-specified design tools and various design automation tools to assist with error-free board design. Using this tool, the students will be able to design their own PCBs. Center for Advanced Material Testing.
This is the rotating beam fatigue tester. So this machine is used to determine the mechanical behavior of materials subjected to cyclic loads and cyclic stresses, which continuously rotate about a mean value of 0. The main object of this machine is to determine the bending fatigue strength of a particular material.
Center for Alternative Energy Sources. Center for Solar Thermoelectrics Materials, STEM.
The Programmable Logic Control PLC or Programmable Control is an industrial ordinary digital computer specially designed for the control of manufacturing process such as assembly lines for producing various products or robotic devices or any activities that requires high reliability and precision. They can be programmed and reprogrammed depending on the requirements without changing any hardware. In contrast with purely electronics or relay-based system known as hardware logic, programmable logic controls provides greater flexibility. So they are first developed in the automobile industry to provide flexible, rugged and easily programmable controls to replace hardwired relay and timers. Since then they have been widely adopted in as highly reliability automation controls suitable for harsh environments. PLCs can range from small devices with few input in housing integral with the processor to large rack mounted modules with thousands of input which are networked to the other PLCs.
It also has got a center for automation and robotics. It has Aerospace Research and Development Center.
This is a micro gas turbine engine. This is the scaled model of a real aircraft engine. So by doing this analysis, you will be able to know what is the amount of flow that is taken inside of the engine, how it is compressed, and how the temperature of the air is raised. Then what is the fuel used to burn this air. Then after we will see what is the exit velocity of this flow. With the help of these analysis, students will be able to know the thrust level of the engine for a given amount of fuel and for a given amount of airflow. This is an RC model, radio controlled aircraft. So this is a scaled down model built by students. In order to build this model, students will have a technical background of aerodynamics, flight mechanics, propulsion and structures. So after building the RC model aircraft, students will be participating in various competitions such as SAE and in other foreign countries. So this will enable the students knowledge while participating with for international competitions. And at the end of these competitions and challenge, students will be able to know the real design model and what are the challenges faced during flying of an RC model aircraft.
Center for Prototyping and Manufacturing, Soil Testing and Material Testing Center, Bio-Inspired Robotics and Design Center, Printed Circuit Board Design Center. The objective of Research and Development Center in IARE is to promote research culture and consultancy at institute level. This center also facilitates interaction with external agencies like industries and government funding bodies. This center significantly tries to increase the quality research publications in refereed Scopus and Science Citation Indexed journals. This center also assists the faculty of IARE along with research scholars to write research proposals for external funding. Institute of Aeronautical Engineering has 3 research centers in the departments of Electronics and Communications Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, and Mechanical Engineering, which is approved by Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad.
This is a 3D printing machine. 3D printers are used to make a 3-dimensional objects, and we also call this as an additive manufacturing operation. 3D printers have wide variety of applications in real-time industries as well as day-to-day life. We can use this 3D printing in automobile applications, aeronautical applications, and we also use this into the biomedical industries. We design product in a CAD model and we make into the slicing in a slicing software, give into the input to the 3D printer. So final product will get output in a defined time.
IARE's Research and Development Center has government-funded grants up to 2,132.62 lakhs funded by various funding agencies like Department of Science and Technology, All India Council of Technical Education AICTE, University Grants Commission UGC, MSME, etc. It has 15 research projects, of which 12 are ongoing, 3 are completed. The major contributors in research projects are Dr. D. Shovarani, Dr. Manisha, Dr. Maruthu Pandian, Dr. Y.B. Sudhir Shastri, Dr. Madhubala, Dr. M.V. Krishna Rao, and also T. Mahesh. IARE has also 28 research schemes funded for conducting various seminars, workshops, for organizing conferences, short-term training programs, faculty development programs. Particularly to say, Dr. D. Shovarani is a coordinator for Margadarshan scheme, which has got 26 lakhs fund from AICTE. The major contributors in funded research schemes include Mr. Shrikant, Ravinder, Dhanalakshmi, Mr. Vijay Shekhar Reddy, Ms. Lakshmi Narayanamma, Dr. Madhubala, Dr. Sirisha, Dr. Chandra Jagan, Dr. Y. Mohan Rupa, and Dr. JSR Prasad. IARE has got 730 plus research publications indexed in SCI and Scopus. Its H index is 20 and citations include 1500 plus. IARE's student publications are improving day by day. We do have Ideas Festival at IARE. The students at IARE also participate in international design challenges every year. They visit abroad for facing these challenges. IARE ranked 170 in engineering category as per National Institutional Ranking Framework NIRF 2020, Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD, Government of India. Over the past few years, we have witnessed the proliferation and growing influence in NIRF ranking with respect to research and professional practice. In the year 2018, RP count was 1.65. In the year 2019, it was 2.98, and drastically it has increased to 7.28 in 2020. This count tops in the state of Telangana when compared to other private institutions. IARE is categorized as Band B institution in the category of Private Self-Financed Institute in Atal Ranking of Institutions on Innovation Achievement ARIA 2020. IARE also work on intellectual property rights. Right from 2016, starting with zero count, we raised up to 50 patents totally overall, and in the year 2020 we have 11 patents granted and 11 patents published as of now. We engineer the world with the research. At IARE, Research and Development Center always focuses on research papers, research projects, patents, finally products for commercialization.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.